This isn't just a 1964 Falcon. This is what happens when Australian muscle is rebuilt with unlimited vision, a stacked-injected Windsor, and zero respect for shortcuts. Stay with me, because this hardtop doesn't just turn heads, it rewrites what a classic can be. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you live for rare metal, bespoke craftsmanship, and the kind of builds money can't rush, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and settle in, because today we're stepping into a world where Australian muscle meets handcrafted excess in the most refined way possible. Standing before you is a 1964 Ford Falcon XM hardtop Coupe. But let's be clear right from the start, this is not just a restored classic, and it's definitely not nostalgia on wheels. This is an elevated statement, a no-compromise interpretation of what the Falcon hardtop could have become if luxury, performance, and artistry were the only rules. Every surface, every line, every mechanical decision whispers intention, and nothing here exists by accident. The XM hardtop itself is already a unicorn in Australian automotive history. Introduced in the mid-1960s, the pillarless coupe silhouette gave the Falcon a level of elegance that set it apart from its sedan siblings. Long doors, sweeping roofline, and uninterrupted glass created a profile that was both sporty and upscale, even by today's standards. This car takes that original DNA and amplifies it, not by shouting, but by refining it until it feels timeless. Walk around the exterior and you immediately notice restraint. The body retains its factory proportions, but the execution is leagues beyond factory. Panel gaps are razor sharp, surfaces are arrow straight, and the paintwork carries depth like liquid glass. It's the kind of finish that doesn't just reflect light, it absorbs it, pulling you closer the longer you look. Chrome accents are polished, not excessive, and every trim piece feels like it was hand-selected rather than bolted on. But the real moment, the one that separates this Falcon from everything else, happens when the hood is raised. There, sitting like mechanical jewelry, is a Windsor V8 unlike anything you'd ever see in a showroom. This isn't about brute force alone. This is about presentation, precision, and performance existing in harmony. The stacked injection system rises proudly, individual intake trumpet standing tall like organ pipes in a cathedral of horsepower. Each stack feeds its own cylinder, delivering air with surgical accuracy, creating throttle response that is instantaneous, raw, and intoxicating. A stack-injected Windsor is not chosen for convenience. It's chosen by someone who understands engines as art. The sound alone is worth the investment. A sharp, mechanical bark on throttle, a crisp induction note that turns heads before the exhaust even speaks. This is old-school race technology refined with modern machining, blending heritage with elite craftsmanship. The engine bay itself is a masterclass. Wiring is hidden or rerouted, finishes are coordinated, and nothing looks aftermarket in a careless way. Everything belongs. It feels as though Ford could have built it this way if cost, time, and mass production were irrelevant. Power is delivered with confidence, not chaos. This isn't a car that struggles for traction or fights itself. It's balanced, sorted, and designed to be driven. Whether that's a slow roll into a concours lawn or a hard pull down an open stretch of road where the Windsor can finally sing, inside the cabin, the same philosophy continues. This isn't a stripped race interior or a retro caricature. It's luxury with restraint. The seating respects the original Falcon layout, but elevates it with premium materials, careful stitching, and a level of comfort that invites long drives rather than short show appearances. The steering wheel feels purposeful in your hands, the gauges are clean and legible, and the entire space feels cohesive, like stepping into a high-end lounge rather than a museum exhibit. There's a certain confidence in builds like this. Nothing screams for attention, yet everything demands it. This Falcon doesn't need wild graphics, exaggerated flares, or gimmicks. Its power lies in execution, in the way the stacked injectors catch the light, in the way the hardtop roofline flows effortlessly into the rear quarters, in the way history and modern performance coexist without compromise. And that's what makes this build so expensive, not just financially, but creatively. Anyone can bolt on horsepower. Anyone can throw money at parts. But it takes vision to know when to stop, when to refine, and when to let the car speak for itself. This Falcon speaks fluently. The XM hardtop represents a pivotal moment in Australian motoring, a time when design was optimistic, proportions were generous, and cars were allowed to be beautiful. This Restima doesn't erase that era, it honors it by perfecting it. It asks the question, what if the best engineers, builders, and designers of today were allowed to reinterpret 1964 without limitations? The answer is right here. This is not a tribute car. It's not a clone. It's not chasing a badge or a racing legacy. It's something far rarer, a bespoke Falcon built to an uncompromising standard, blending old-world craftsmanship with modern performance philosophy. The Stacked-Injected Windsor isn't just an engine choice, it's a declaration of intent. And when this car fires up, idles with that unmistakable mechanical pulse, and rolls forward under its own power, it doesn't feel like the past. It feels like an alternate future, one where classics evolved instead of disappeared. This is the kind of build that doesn't age. It will look just as relevant 10 years from now, because it wasn't built to follow trends, it was built to stand above them. So if you appreciate rare Australian muscle, handcrafted performance, and the kind of luxury that only comes from doing things the hard way, this 1964 Ford Falcon XM Hardtop Coupe with its Stacked-Injected Windsor is more than a car. It's a rolling statement of excellence. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most refined Falcon builds out there, make sure you like the video, share it with someone who understands real automotive craftsmanship, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more ultra luxury, no compromise builds just like this.